What's up, everyone? Navi pedal bike. See who wins race.
Should do some go.
It is a snowing out. Whoa. Yeah, she's a packy too, so there's some gription here now. We're gonna see how Tipsy makes out. Oh yeah, lots of gription now. Woo! It's pimp. Whoa! Almost smashed into cementy. I can't see, the visor's up. Hopefully you guys can kind of see. Woo! Whoa! Oh. Whee! How you doing back there, Tippy? I know, eh? Put your visor down, you might be able to see more. Okay, perfect. Oh, God. Woo! Oh, she's a messy out. Yee! It's so much fun. Oh, I got a car coming. Where's Tippy? Oh, he's going that way. We're gonna turn here, people. Are we scared to turn? I'm out on a motorcycle. Woo! Oh, I gotta put down my visor because I can't see. Shoot. If the lens is getting... It's hard to keep wiping in this kind of stuff too, right, guys? So hopefully this video turns out good. Let's see if I make it where I gotta go without wiping out. Yeehaw! Feet are up too. Don't have my feet dragging if anyone's wondering. See? Feet are up on the pegs, everyone. On the pegs. Stop, stop. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Let's go. This is a blast. Oh, big bump. This kind of road. These roads here. Oh, as I speak. Holy crap. I spoke too fast. I was going to say these roads here aren't bad. Got into some slack. Oh, gotta taking the hands off the handlebars to wipe the lens. She's a slushy here, that's for sure. Probably like, what is this motorcycle doing? Scooter? It's not an e-bike. It's gas powered. And we're going to try to stick with the side roads because side roads are funner. Yeah, you gotta like the fun. Always like to keep an eye out who's behind me somewhat anyway, so I know who's running me over once I wipe out, but hey. I could just imagine the camera lens. I can't even see the road, so this is kind of, my visor is just, there we go. Hang on here, person doing. We're stopping. Yeehaw! Steady! Yeah, they haven't plowed too many roads, which are nice. Just makes it better for me. Yeehaw! Cars coming down this hill, we should be golden. Golden. No, go yeah. Oh, I did air down, by the way. My tire pressures are at, the back is at 20, front is at 15. Burn, turn and burn. Whee! We're enjoying the day. A nice day for a run. Oh, I'm off trail. Ooh. Oh, I can't see. Oh, there's a bike coming. I gotta get out of here. Yeah. Oh, can't see anything as it is. My visor is. Just have to wipe it off. They didn't tell me that. Why, people? You guys, everyone's supposed to be helping Trippy out. I said I had to wipe the visor off there a little while ago. Sorry if you guys can't really see. Hey, truck. Oh, Jeep. Yeah, I see. You got four-wheel drive. Yeah, I see how it goes. Yeah. This thing not seen and bouncing into a curb, which is fun too. Featured on Dan the Fireman again. It was not me per se. It was more, but hey, to be opened. Hey, thank you very much. Have a great day. Oh, something smells like pizza. Oh, woo! Good old Navi. The Navi that can. Oh, I can't see the road again. You know what? I think I'm going to rip the bike path. Why? Something to do. Why not? I'm being safe. Trying to be. Woohoo! That's probably where I'm going to lose it. A car backing out or something. Wow! T-bone! That would suck. Oh god! Jump! Whee! Oh, roadway. I don't have a stop sign, so that's good. Ooh, well, I got some bumps. Ooh, some ruts. I was just thinking I was going to go in the bushes here, but you guys won't be able to see anything anyways. Let alone... Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Okay. If I kept going, that would have been a folly. The driveway's too much on an angle. Oh! Okay, Navi. This being said, until tomorrow morning, guys, it's calling for up to like 25 centimeters of snow. It's supposed to snow like this all night long. Everything's going to be a disaster. It's going to be so fun. I can't wait for the ride to work. I might even pick Tipsy up and we might do a couple videos so he can have some content on his channel with the Navi. Because if we did do that, you guys would have seen that way before this anyways. So yeah, if you haven't seen that in Tipsy's video, make sure you check out TNT Adventures. Go to the future channels down there or in the description, click on TNT Adventures. Completely snow covered. Oh yeah. Yeah. We're supposed to be getting quite a bit of snow too, like not just today and tomorrow snow. And it's supposed to be clear for 3 or 4 days, and then it's supposed to snow I think for like 5 or 6 days. So yeah, and it's almost like freezing rain, like it's hard freaking eye-hurting snow. Yeah, Fresco's empty, it's about time. I wasn't gonna put my gloves on because I'm going home, and I don't need my gloves on. It's not that cold out. If I fall, it's gonna suck. And I'm wiping the camera, but it shouldn't be that long, guys. It might be a little bit, whee! Whoa! Oh yeah, oh yeah. Feet went down on that one. That's a ruddy. I got weight on the handlebars. That's the issue. Whoa. Not even weight. Okay. On the road again. Time to take the bike inside my living room to defrost for the night. And then go to work tomorrow. And the bike goes inside work and defrost after that ride. Oh god, big bump. Oh! That could have been bad. That was a big hole. Ooh. Bucked me right into that freaking curb. Woo! A true crazy redneck on a motorcycle. Or a scooter, whatever you guys classify it as. It looks like a motorcycle, but it's on, a scooter frame. Whatever. It's 2 wheels. I love it. I will go buy it again. If something happened to this bike tomorrow, I go buy another one. Oh yeah. Yeah, for sure. Okay guys, I'm gonna end that video. Oh god, I almost died there. That was almost a downy. Woo! It's like, I'm just ready to end the video off, but I might wipe out, so it's like, do I really end the video off? Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video off. If I do wipe out, I'll put that clip in. But have a great night. Make sure you stay tipsy, stay tripping, and make sure you stay snow riding. Hell yeah. Cheers, y'all.